If you are getting a P229E error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. It indicates a fault in the NOx sensor circuit for Bank 1 Sensor 2, which monitors exhaust emissions. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel pressure regulator, fuel system issues, electrical problems, environmental factors, PCM, ECM malfunction. So here are the two practical solutions to fix the P229E error code at home. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in Ford, BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.